Yeah, here. We must see this one, analyze. Right. And the output here.
Retention time is proper.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
No, but the circulation is proper or not?
Yeah, that calculated with that.
Proper.
Yeah. That calculation I have given you.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Okay, so guys, if you see the PNID, we have come up to the chlorine contact tank, and after that this is going in node number 3. We'll see here this pump. This is node number 3. That means node number 2 officially it is ending here for no flow scenario. Now I want to go for more flow scenario. What are the more flow scenario? More flow scenario, I don't think so, but let us go one by one. Yeah, we are starting here. So there is no cause for more flow.
Yeah, it is pump flow to you.
Yeah, in uniform flow.
Uniform flow.
Yeah, this is also no more flow.
Either no flow or uniform flow.
Yeah, more flow will not happen because more flow not have PCB, LCB, DCB or butterfly controller.
Yeah.
So this is always open. Here, do we have more flow situation? No. VFD, no. VFD pump malfunction full running.
Because you have designed this system based on N+1. If you
no VFD pump. VFD pump.
More flow.
There will be no more flow now because you are not getting from back any more flow.
Okay, no. What I'm saying, I'm sorry. My poor understanding.
Yeah.
You have a VFD pump.
Yeah.
So VFD has got certain envelope, low RPM to high RPM.
Yeah.
High RPM it should not run.
Yeah, it should shut down the
shutdown system.
Yeah.
So I am worried for high RPM. In case of high RPM, this